Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 12.4, we are going to continue our focus on sentence expansion and looking at story sequence. If you remember in Activity 10, we discussed the basic elements of the story sequence: the beginning, the middle, and the end. In this activity, we will apply that understanding when we read the story about Svetlana's day at work. Your task is to write about the sequence of events that occur throughout Svetlana's workday at the bakery. Be sure to expand the sentences in your answers to include all the details you can. Follow along as I read. Svetlana begins her day at the bakery early in the morning, arriving before the sun rises. The first thing she does is tie her apron and start preparing the dough for the day's bread and pastries. She carefully measures the ingredients, kneads the dough, and sets it aside to rise while the ovens heat up. As customers start arriving, Svetlana works quickly, decorating cakes, filling trays with fresh croissants, and restocking the display cases with warm golden loaves. Around noon, she finally takes her break. Sitting at a small table in the corner of the bakery, she enjoys a simple lunch of a ham and cheese sandwich and a cup of tea, savoring the quiet moment. After lunch, she returns to work, assisting customers, cleaning the counters, and keeping an eye on the oven timers. At the end of her shift, Svetlana is responsible for sweeping the floors, wiping down the surfaces, and ensuring everything is ready for the next morning. As she locks the door and heads home, she feels tired, but proud of the work she has done. Okay, now answer the following questions related to Svetlana's day at work in complete sentences. The first question focuses on the beginning. What does Svetlana do first when she arrives at the bakery? Pause the video now and write your answer. Okay, did you expand on your answer? Be sure to share your answer with your teacher, your tutor, a classmate, or with me in the comments section of this video. All right, let's move on. Number 2 focuses on the middle. What does Svetlana do for her lunch break? Pause the video now and write your answer in your textbook. Did you expand on your answer? Awesome! Let's move on to number 3, which focuses on the end of the story. It asks, what does Svetlana do at the end of her shift? If you need to, go back and read the story again and pay close attention to what Svetlana does at the end of her shift. Then write your answer in the lines provided. Pause the video now and write your answer. Excellent. Now, share your responses with your teacher, a classmate, a tutor, or with me. You can write your sentences in the comments section of this video if you choose to do so. I am more than happy to give you my feedback on your answers. Keep in mind you are doing 2 very important things in this activity. You are reading and you are writing with the idea of expanding on your sentences with added details. It is recommended you try this activity more than once to make improvements on your answers. Keep up the good work and you will be writing much better in due time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit our website at iwtle.com to get up-to-date information about the textbooks and also for articles related to language learning. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.